So big tech says they are here to develop Nigeria. They flash big numbers, they announce fancy training programs, and they promise to turn us into Silicon Valley overnight. But have you ever done the math before? Because the numbers aren't numbering. Microsoft, for instance, just pledged $1 million to train 1 million Nigerians in AI. Sounds impressive, right? Until you realize that is literally $1 per person. Now, what are we supposed to do with that? Buy data to watch a YouTube video or tutorial? I don't get it. And here is the kicker. This isn't the first time big tech has pulled this stunt, and it won't be the last, I assume. So let's break down the hypocrisy, right? First, let's talk about the empty promises of big tech. Big tech loves using Nigeria for PR. They announce grand projects. Media outlets go very crazy and we all get excited until the excitement fades and we realize that nothing actually happened. And I have a couple of examples to back this up in case you think this is just a story. Take Facebook's Lagos tour, for example. In 2016, Mark was here and he casually strolled into Lagos, vibed with tech bros and smiled for the cameras. Nigerians felt seen, we felt exposed. But what did we get in return? A handshake and a photo op. Facebook did not set up any major hub here. Instead, when they finally opened an African AI research center, guess where they put it? Ghana, not Nigeria. Not Nigeria. And it's not just Facebook, okay? Google played the same game. Nigeria has the biggest tech scene in Africa, but Google chose Ghana for their AI research hub. Why? Maybe because dealing with Nigeria's government can sometimes be like trying to withdraw money from an ATM that is temporarily unable to dispense cash. Too many restrictions and too much drama. Yet, the irony? When Google recently rolled the red carpet for Tinubu as it was at their headquarters, I couldn't stop laughing. Flashing smiles, pleasantries, promises of big investments. Do they sound familiar? Yeah, we saw that on TV. But let's ask the real question. Who actually wins here? Not Nigeria and not you. It's sad, I admit, but that is the reality. And let's not forget Amazon, investing heavily in Africa, but not in Nigeria. Instead, they are going all in on South Africa. And why? Maybe, I say maybe every time a foreign company wants to invest here, someone in power magically finds a way to make things unnecessarily complicated. Maybe. Now let's go back to Microsoft's generous AI training initiative. 1 million people, $1 million budget. That's like $1 per person. I mean, what exactly are they training us on? How to say AI out loud? And here is where it gets interesting. When Google launched a similar AI initiative in India, they didn't just throw small change at them. No, that's not what they did. They set up proper research hubs, they funded universities, and they ensured real value exchange in India. But in Nigeria, they drop crumbs and they expect us to throw a party. Who does that? Real AI training requires proper resources, experienced trainers, computing power, internet access. But Microsoft wants to train Nigerians in AI with the same amount of money some people I know spend on suya in one night. Who are they fooling? I see a pattern of exploitation here and I'll break it down. Let's be real. Big tech isn't here out of love for Nigeria. They are here for our data, for our cheap labor, and for the market. They want access to Africa's biggest economy, Nigeria, but they don't want to invest properly. Now, here is what I think is happening. One, they mine our data, but they build infrastructure elsewhere. Two, they promise tech jobs, but they outsource them to countries with better electricity. Not their fault anyway. And three, they set up partnerships, but those partnerships mostly benefit them, not us. And even when we get something, it's always on their terms. They give us training programs, but they won't set up proper tech hubs. They sell us expensive gadgets, but they won't invest in local assembly plants. They want us as consumers, not as equals. And Albert Camus says it all, that there is no equality in the world of power. The strong do what they want, the weak suffer what they must. But Nigerians aren't stupid. We're not stupid. We've seen this play out before, and we are getting smarter by the day. Now, some Nigerian startups are out here doing the real work. For instance, Moniepoint, okay, it became a fintech unicorn valued at over $1 billion without waiting for big tech's approval. Then beyond Moniepoint, we have Flutterwave and Paystack, and these ones build payment solutions that even global companies now rely on for transactions. And of course, we all know the story of Andela that started as a training program but evolved into a full-blown tech company. So let's be clear. We don't need big tech's petty investment. We need fair deals, okay? We need real investment in local infrastructure. We need to stop accepting crumbs and demand the whole loaf. That is what will take us to where we belong to in the Committee of Nations, or where we should be. So what should Nigeria do next? Instead of waiting for big tech to save us, we should be doing the following. Now, we should be building policies that protect our tech industry. No more one-sided deals where they take everything and leave us nothing in return. 2, we should be building or investing in local talent ourselves. If big tech can't respect us enough to train properly, then let's do it ourselves. 3, we should be holding these companies accountable. No more empty promises. If they say they are investing, then we want receipts. Yeah, we want receipts. Nigeria is not big tech's playground. We are not here for decoration in their corporate social responsibility reports. If they want to do business here, then they should do it properly. Let them do it the right way. No more PR stunts. No more crumbs. We demand better. What do you think? Are these companies genuinely trying to help, or are they just exploiting us? Drop your thoughts in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel, please. I need you all to grow this channel. I have very small followers or subscribers, and I need you to subscribe, please. We are the ones shaping the future, not them. I'll see you next content. Bye bye.